Slwane boy, there will never be another Slwane, bro. There will never gonna be another Slwane mfana sekhaya. Even if somebody after 10 years asoze kube khona umunye uSlwane, the only person that will cover my space, it's another me. I'm afraid we live to die, so I'm ready to die. Sure. Skof fede yase home ngangibona ngikren mara deep down ngifa ngokushona ngiphumule ngiseba wena kuyoqhekeza police stars ngaphukula ngife or ngithi ngiyobhoma ATM kufikeleza ama metropolis sivele zingidubule ngiseba wena ukulala ngingasavuka ngishawe community phinde ngishise ngiseba wena ukuthola ipoison ngisifakele ekudleni kwami sometime mina self ngizidlise noma kungcono ke ngithola ekhaya accident ngilahleke memory or ngivele ngihlanye enemnqwabeni wami ngicela kufakaza ezama abafundisi abangapractice isikhathi esiphayo or umphefumulo wami angekalale ngokuthula ngizovele
I'm ready to die and ukufa kwami walk away cause I need a rest after sonke lezinto besenzeka empilweni yami plus already my life with dead feelings. Yeah, I'm ready to die and ukufa kwami walk away cause after all I need a rest me bro.
Yakubhaya mfana, akubhaya nja yami, ukubhaya meyawuthi mara ngekubone uyangithola yakho siyasmile vele especially uma unesmile esidurayo ulaha nento engalahisi.
Skof, I don't wanna talk bafethu ngifuna ukufa. I'm not going through something ongizwisa ubuhlungu khona nje ngikhathele ngifuna ukuphumula. I don't wanna get rich bafethu mina bengifuna nje ukusikhophela umlando. So sengiqedile lo ngifa ngokulala ngiphumule. Sengikhathele ukuphila kulo mhlaba ezeblackmail ngibona umunye uDaka sokola. Fuck umdala kangithathe kulo mhlaba wakhe. Amadikisi namarosi moda ngizoshiya dala. Amasilve moshar bafike bangikhiphe. Ya West njabule mntase ekhaya uhlele ugqoke istretch eRosal. Recruitment lakho lizohlala liphila phakathi kwalezo zinto.
Oh yes, I'm ready to die and ukufa kwami walk away cause I need a rest after sonke lezinto besenzeka empilweni yami plus already my life with dead feelings. Yeah, I'm ready to die and ukufa kwami walk away cause after all I need a rest me bro.
Bafethu, I might not die, maybe kusasa or next week. But if ever sekuyadaleka ngicela ukuthi ucave makunguthi bengitsmayilela leso smile wasiridi akaze ngapretenda mfana sekhaya engibazonda vele bengibashela amatera.
Oh yes, I'm ready to die and ukufa kwami walk away cause I need a rest after sonke lezinto besenzeka empilweni yami plus already my life with dead feelings. Yeah, I'm ready to die and ukufa kwami walk away cause after all I need a rest me bro.
Lena woqina ke bafowethu ngicela ukuthi akungaphumi ibhokisi etendeni ngithi ngiyobekwa mhlawumbe nisuke ngabo 7 ngabo 9 seniyabuya nini niyogeza izandla senijaka ukudla nani bafowethu angiphilanga i2 minutes yani bengasivila futhi uyangithola so believe me out uyangithola izinja zami ngiyanicela ngomoya okhulwayo nilitshele neoledi bafowethu uyangithola ngicela ukuthi mina emncwabeni wami bafowethu akuphuma ama poems bafowethu eziraphayo zirap amapantsula adanse uyangithola and it's not like noba ni celebrate ukuthi ifile le nje noba ni celebrate insuku engisiphilile emhlabeni uyangithola angesikubalekela ukufa bafowethu iending yokuphila ukufa bafethu ayikho enye so ngicela ukuthi nihloniphe umncwabo wami nwenze ngalendlela ngifuna ngayo because ngiringile kabhaya so believe aningahawulisa emncwabeni wami yebo kuba kukhona inhlungu nani bafethu mara ngiyanicela ngomoya okholwayo ngicela ukugcina sengizoyivala le track because already seyiphelile nakusana busy riding sengiyiringa no emncwabeni wami ngicela ningasabi ukukhuluma kube khona ozomela amataliyana kube khona ozomela amapantsula ozongivalelisa ngepoem ozorapper bafowethu akwenzeke enzani yebe ngishukuma mina bengasabe bengijumpa ama fence bengiyinja ezinja mfana sekhaya bheka ubhale phansi wasp